Here's a quick example of some relatively sophisticated plotting and analysis you can do from within the Catalogs tool. From the Ursa homepage, let's click on Catalogs, and then from here we want Gaia. At the time that I'm recording this, Gaia DR2 is the most recent catalog that we have, so let's pick that. Now we want a multi-object search. What I have here is a list of all of the sources in the Gliese-Gerace catalog of nearby stars. And what I want is one-to-one match. What that means is, for every source in my input list, it will give me the closest match within the Gaia DR2 catalog within the radius that I specify. So however many rows I have in the input table, that's how many rows I'm going to have in the output table. If it'll put the closest match it can find, and if there's no match, it'll be a row of nulls. So let's run query. Okay, so it's come back with the results. I had a source list of about 4,100 sources, and there are all the matches that it found. Let's change what's plotted. Click on the gears. By default, it's come up with a plot of right ascension and declination, just position in the sky. But we've got now a Gaia catalog of matches to that. So let's go look at what the columns in the catalogs are. It's got BP minus RP as one of the columns in the catalog. So let's pick that for the x-axis. And then for the y-axis, what we want is the G magnitude. So let's go find FOT G mean mag. Okay, apply. Well, we need to have the bright objects at the top. So let's go to Chart Options and reverse the y-axis. Apply. Now we've got a color magnitude diagram, but we have more information and we can do better. Instead of just having FOT G mean mag be the y-axis, let's get the distance in there. We know that 5 log d minus 5 is what we want to get in here, but we have to be a little bit careful. So we're going to subtract off 5 times the log base 10 of the parallax, except that the parallax is tabulated in milliarc seconds. So 1,000 divided by the parallax minus 5, close parenthesis. Now, apply. Well, we still need to reverse the y-axis. Apply. Now, there's an HR diagram that kind of looks like it should. If we want to find, say, just the nearby white dwarfs, we can click and drag in the plot, and then filter. And those should be just the white dwarfs that are nearby. We can cancel the filters and look at some of the giants that are nearby. So there's an example of relatively sophisticated plotting you can do with the Ursa tools.